been so long since I talked to y'all. Like, literally, I haven't picked up this camera in like 2 weeks maybe. But I just got my nails done. It is Monday, by the way. It's Monday, August 19th, and I just got my nails done. Aren't they so effing cute? And I got white toes, of course, but it is my day off. Sundays and Mondays were closed, so I'm, you know, pretty lit. Well, whatever. Yesterday I literally slept the whole day, but that doesn't matter. But now I think I'm finna go to Sparkle and Shine, vacuum out my car, get a car wash, fill up my tank, and that'll be ready for the week. And then my nails are so cute. Like, oh, they're so cute. So I'm gonna get a car wash, vacuum out the inside of my car, get everything ready for the week, and then I'm about to go home. I need to wash and do my hair because literally I feel like my hair is breaking off because I keep wearing this ponytail, but that's what's gonna happen. Look at my baby daddy. Wait, so you going to Sparkle and Shine right now? Huh? Should I go?
Going to Sparkle and Shine, vacuum, wash. I need to stop somewhere and get some air freshener. Then I'm gonna come back. I gotta take Malik to school. Then I'm gonna double back, get my windshield wipers fixed.
So when can I drop off my car between that?
Never. Until I'm done really. You'll just be boring me.
I don't want to do that. Where are you going to get air freshener? I thought you was going to get that at Walmart.
Yeah, they didn't have any either. I gotta go to the place right now.
What place?
An auto place. That's why I was saying there's no way you can get in my wheel.
I'm getting in your car. I have to. Okay, so on the way back before you go to take 5, then I'll get in.
How?
The back roads.
Take 5 is international. Malik's school is by Embry-Riddle.
I know, I'm saying after the car wash, then we're gonna go home and then we're gonna go to take 5 and go to Malik and then go get Malik. You'll do something if you want to. Is that okay? Like, don't just. Okay, I'll buy you lunch. As long as it's a 4-piece spicy nugget. Y'all, why is it so zoomed in? Anyways, no. I am so claustrophobic in here, I'm trying not to cry. I have my air on like 10 so I can get some fresh air, and it's just like driving me crazy. Like, I really fucking hate car washes. Oh my god, and I'm wobbling. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Oh, this is freaking me out. Okay guys, so me and my boyfriend were house shopping yesterday, and I seen this cute chair that I wanted, but I didn't get it. So now I'm back here praying that they still have it. If they don't, I'm gonna cry. But let's see if they still do. They still have it. Let me take it down to see it. Okay, hold on. This is so cute to me, but I don't know. I wish it was more like that pink than this. I don't know. Okay, so I found the chair, but after like 15 minutes of contemplating, the freaking chair is leaning, and I'm not about to spend $80 on something that's leaning. And I could get the price reduced and try to fix it on my own, but what if I don't fix it? Then I'm just gonna be leaning. But it's so cute. And then I seen these ones, but I want arms. So with that being said, I'm probably just going to keep looking. I'm just gonna keep looking, I guess. Yo, I'm watching my man on live. He's on live at an interview, and I'm at home making fucking salmon, broccoli, and rice. This is gonna be my dinner since I'm all alone. But it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. And I'm so proud of him. Oh, so cute. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Good morning, everybody. It is now Sunday, August 24th, 5th, I don't know. But anyways, it's Sunday and I am at Target and we're about to start shopping for some more apartment decor. After this, I'm gonna go to Marshall's, Home Goods. You can't see me. Marshall's, Home Goods, and all the other stuff. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so we have been looking for lamps. I think this one would be cool. Well, it really depends on the color of the couch, exactly. But I do want one that arches over. I've been looking at a certain one, but I can't really find it anywhere. So, but I definitely want one that just arches over. This one would be cute, but it's kind of small too at the same time. I don't know, I want silver. So if you did not know, our house is going to be black, white, and silver. I was debating between black, white, and silver and black, white, and gold. But I decided to do silver because it just looks more clean. It's more timeless and blah, blah, blah. Gold kind of goes in and out of style. So I'm just going to do silver. I've been looking for like little lamps to go on our desk. This is a task, on our nightstand. This is like a task light lamp, but for some reason I've been wanting something like this to go on our nightstands. But I don't really want too much. Do they have a white one? But then would this blend in with our nightstand? Should I just do the silver one? I don't know. I'm trying not to buy like every single thing that I see to start with, because no, I kind of want something more like this. This doesn't look like a desk lamp, so something more like this. That is super heavy. This doesn't really, no. I don't really like that one. These are cute. How much is this? Oh, this is so cute. How much is this? Where's the price on anything? Are these $15? Like, I literally can't tell. Weird. This one is pretty too. Guys, this is only $12.48. Like, I have to get this. And it's a nice size. That's super pretty. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but we're gonna get it for now. I'm gonna take one of these and ask them how much is ringing up for. That is super pretty too. I really want one of these, but it's like, let me see. $130, but I want one that's like around 6 feet tall, so maybe like the one that's back there. Let me see what this says. These are so freaking pretty. How much is this one? This one's 15, but I don't really like that one that much. I just left my purse over there. I don't know what these are. These are so pretty. Okay, oh, thank you. So I've been in Target for the last hour or so, and I got 3 plants. So I only spent $34. So I think 3 plants for $34 is a really good deal. And we're super blurry right now, probably because I'm walking and I didn't let it focus. But yeah, now I'm actually gonna go to what I was really planning on going to, and that was Marshalls and Home Goods, yeah. So we're on our way there now. We have officially made it to Home Goods. Right now I'm just looking at the mirrors. See if I can find one to go in my entryway. I want a circular one, but I don't see that they have any that I like. Okay, well now I'm in the workspace area, and this couch, this chair, not this couch, what? This chair is super cute. How much is it? I can't see. I can't see. Oh, okay. That is $100. Literally can't even get through. That pink one is super cute, but I really want arms. So this is so cute. Like, I will get this and put it by my bed. Okay, pretty much I'm about to just find some stuff that I can put on my desk, so I'll be back when and if I find anything cute. So do you guys remember the chair that I was trying to get last time when I went to the other store and it was lopsided? I found it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it home, see if I like it. And then I just got a planner, but that's literally all. It's a start, it's a start. I made it back home. I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick. They don't have a back window. They don't have a back window on their car, so they're walking around literally with their car out. Anyways, so let's do a quick haul. So I got this plant from Target, and this one was $12.48. So this is super cute. I also got this one, and this one was $4.99. And then my favorite one was this little aloe vera plant, and this one was $14.99 as well. And as you can see, like, the pots, they're like white and black. I wanted to do all white ones, but I couldn't find a white one in this one, so I was like, it shouldn't look that bad if I just mix and match the white and the black. So hopefully it works out. And then when I went to Home Goods, I got this cute planner It's a pink planner with silver holographic-ish writing, and it's a 2020 planner. It is a 13-month planner, so it starts of August of 2019 and goes to August of 2020. So that is perfect timing. Well, kind of a little late, but it doesn't really matter. So that's cute. And then from Walmart, oh no, from Home Goods, I also got this chair. So this was super cute to me. It's pink, shows character. It has the silver accents like I wanted. I had seen a pink one, but it had gold accents, and I would like throw off everything. So I just got this one instead. I mean, I waited to find this kind instead. So this is a chair from Home Goods. Now from Walmart, I just stopped really quick to get some binder clips that were black and silver, and then some all black pins. And I'm gonna trade it out with everything in here because, as you see, like everything's colorful. It doesn't really make sense. It looks a mess. So I'm just gonna trade that out with this. And then these plants that are on here already, I didn't get these today, but we did get them from IKEA. So if you're wondering, these came from IKEA. So that's pretty much everything I got today. Just starting to redo the apartment, so that was fun, very successful. We're almost to 1,000. We're at like 600 right now. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your sister, tell your uncle, tell your daddy, tell your mama, tell your cousin, tell everybody to subscribe. Bye, see you in the next one.